right, welcome back to Coffee Cafe. This is where we last left off on the 19th. We finished the grand opening sales. So that means we're going to start right here on the 20th of June, which is Thursday. Okay, and here we left off on page 8 of the journal. Okay, so there we are, right here. So let's see what happened here. On June 20th, we delivered to the corner bookstore, right? Invoice number 102. We required a 50% COD net 5. Okay, so here, the corner bookstore, we delivered 10 pounds of regular coffee, 10 pounds of Supreme coffee, 5 coffee mugs, right? And we received a check number 5, 784 from the corner bookstore for $63.88. So, how do I journalize this transaction? We received a down payment, or not down payment, we received money when we delivered the coffee.
Okay, so accounts receivable.
Accounts receivable, good. That's one of them because they owe us money. Yes.
Um, we're gonna do the delivery charge.
Delivery charges. What else did we do?
We sold regular coffee
We sold regular coffee. And what else?
and Supreme and the coffee mugs.
Okay. And what else did we receive from them? What did we require when we delivered?
Okay, the COD.
Okay.
Okay, that would go on the delivery income. So we got that right.
We already got the delivery income, yes.
Okay.
So what else did we receive from the corner bookstore?
Receive a check.
We received a check. Okay, how much was the check for?
63.38.
63.88. How
Yes.
much does the corner bookstore owe me?
127. 63.87.
63.87. How much did I sell for regular coffee?
32.80.
32.90.
Supreme coffee is 39.90.
Ceramic coffee mugs.
is $24.95.
And last but not least, delivery income.
Uh, 63.88.
That's how much they. That's no. That's the payment that they paid me with. We had to charge them a delivery charge for delivering the coffee to them, right?
Right.
How much is that?
$30.
$30. So we got $127.75. $127.75. Okay. So we have pretty much all the information that we need to write my description. Who did we sell to?
I can't see. The corner bookstore.
Good. What was my proof of a transaction?
Invoice number.
Invoice number. Okay. What else?
Check number. Received the check.
Yep. Yes. Okay. Check number 784. Good. Yes, Norman, you have a question?
If they're just standing around there, that's it.
Okay. All right. So good. So what do we do next? There's a lot of steps that we have to do. So what's first?
We'll go to our vendors list.
Vendors list. Okay. Not vendors list.
Accounts receivable.
Accounts receivable. So that BR.
And that would be our customer.
Customer. Right. The corner bookstore should be at the very bottom. Okay. Today's the 20th. What did we do?
Receive a payment.
Um, oops. Received payment. Check number 784. Okay. Invoice number.
Where is the real? Oh. Invoice number is 102.
Invoice number 102. Okay. Reference.
Check, General Journal 8.
Good. Terms.
Yeah, I didn't see the terms. It's 50% COD net 5.
50% COD net 5. Good. Sammy, so what's the actual due date then?
The 25th.
25th, right? They received the bill on the 20th.
Mm-hmm.
They got 5 days to pay. Okay. And then how much was the sales receipt?
The sales receipt was 127.75.
Okay. And how much did they pay?
50%,
Which
which was
is
63.88.
good. So if you punch in your formula, sales minus advance payment minus returns minus discounts minus payments, you should get 63.87, which is exactly the amount that is on your bill.
Right.
Okay. Good. What's next?
Then we go into our subsidiary ledger.
This is the subsidiary ledger.
We go to the ledger.
We go to the regular general ledger, right? To
Right.
update our accounts. Okay. Okay, so which account are we going to go first?
Into checking.
Checking. Okay, for how much? 63.88.
Yes.
Okay, so how much money should I have in the bank? How much money should I have in the bank?
1,092.77.
You subtracted
Oh, you received money.
Yes, we received money.
$1,220.48.
Good. 12, 20, 84. Okay. Next is account receivable. Okay, here we are. How much is the account receivable?
$63.87.
Okay. So how much in grand total do my customers owe me?
$173.39.
Good. 173.39. Okay. Next, what we have to do is record our sales.
Yes.
So sales. Okay, sales for regular coffee.
Uh, $32.90.
Okay, how many pounds did we sell?
We sold 10 pounds.
$32.90.
Yes.
So what's my ending balance?
Give me a moment, please.
Say that again?
Can I have a moment?
Sure.
Okay.
Norman, can you calculate this?
Where are you? Here. 965.
Norman, can you calculate this?
Looked like Norman slipped out.
Oh, he did? Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. And okay, 82.65.
82. It should be 82.25 because we get 90 cents plus 35 cents.
Okay.
You might have switched the number around. Okay. How many pounds of the Supreme coffee did we sell?
The Supreme Coffee was 10 pounds.
For how much?
That was $39.90.
So what's my grand total balance here?
Okay, that'd be $79.80.
79.80. Good.
Mm-hmm.
How many coffee mugs did we sell?
We sold 5.
For
$24.95.
okay, $24.95.
Mm-hmm.
Giving us a grand total of
Okay, $236.59.
good. And then last but not least, we have some delivery income.
Yeah.
So how much is my grand total?
It'd be $60.
It'd be $60. Good. Okay, so now that we finished the journal, we finished the ledger, we finished the subsidiary ledger, what else are we missing? Okay.
Okay, we notated in the check. I mean, not checking.
I'm sorry, say that again.
That we put the let the checking. Did we did that?
The deposit?
Yeah.
No, we did not do that yet. Good.
Okay.
Okay, so deposit. All right, is this from the corner bookstore?
Right.
We received $63.88.
Yes.
We'll wait till the end of the day to deposit the money.
Uh-huh.
Okay, what else?
Uh,
Who's responsible for delivering?
uh, uh, what's the name? Tabby?
Not Tammy. Albert.
Okay, Albert.
So what do I need to do?
So you get the right him check?
Hmm? What do we have to do?
I was saying, do we have to write him a check? But no.
No, but we do need to calculate his commissions. Because he earned his sale, right?
Right.
So where do we go?
We go to payroll.
Mm-hmm. So first off, mark off that he delivered the sales order, right? Sales order number
Right.
102. Okay, so what's today's date?
19th?
Let's see. Oops.
I mean, it's the 20th.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Invoice number 102,
Okay.
right?
Right.
We delivered for that for $127.75.
Mm-hmm.
We completed it, or he completed it, so he needs to now update his commissions. So who did we sell to?
The corner bookstore.
Mm-hmm. Invoice number.
102.
How much did we sell? Or how much did Albert sell?
127.75.
So therefore, how much is his commissions?
Okay. Okay. 5110.
Okay, $51.10. So this column here, we're going to add up the $87.62 plus the $51.10 to let me know how much I owe Albert right now.
$138.72.
Okay, so I owe Albert right now $138.72. Good. Okay, good. We did the journal, we finished the ledger, we finished the subsidiary ledger. Okay. So now what?
We go to cost of goods.
We're gonna go to cost of goods sold. We need to update our inventory because we sold perpetual inventory. Okay. So cost of goods. So we're gonna go to inventory worksheet. Regular coffee. I sold 10 pounds. At how much? At what cost per item?
$139.
Not 139.
Okay, 1.609381.
Mm-mm.
Oh, 1609406.
Yes, we're gonna use this number. So how much is my total cost of goods sold? If I sold 10 pounds at 1.609406.
$16.09.
16 and 9 cents. Good. So let's update my inventory. If I just sold 10 pounds, how many pounds should I have left?
183.50.
Okay. What's my new total cost? If I started out with $311.42 and I sold 1609, how much should I have left?
I got 1.6977.
That's not what I'm asking for. I'm asking for the total cost, not the average cost per item. How are you calculating the average cost per item when you don't have your total cost?
Okay. Total cost. Is it 295.33?
Mm, yes, 295.33. Good.
Okay.
So if you calculate it right, take your total cost divided by your quantity, you're going to get 1.609428. Okay? Good. Now I need to go ahead and go to my Supreme Coffee. Sold 10 pounds.
gonna be $1.80
Be a
cost per item.
good $1.80. So how much is your total cost of goods sold?
$18.
$18. Okay. Now we need to update my inventory, right? I no longer have 67.5. How much should I have now?
55. I mean
57.
60. Yeah, 57.
Okay. Good. So we now have $332 worth of Supreme coffee. Okay. So there's my cost of goods sold. 18 for Supreme. 1609 for regular.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we got the coffee mugs.
Why do we not record coffee
Oh,
mugs?
I forgot. We do not record the coffee mugs because we do it at the end of the
Cor-
period.
correct. Okay. So how much was the cost of goods sold for the regular coffee?
Oh boy. Can I see your inventory sheet?
It is open right now.
Okay.
This is the regular coffee.
Right. It would be 1609.
1609. Okay. What about my Supreme coffee?
$18.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're at the bottom of page 8. That means the next transaction is going to be for the next one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So page 9 of the journal. Okay. What else do we need to do? We need to update our what's the next step after the journal?
Okay, do we do okay.
What did I just do?
Cause you did your cost of goods sold.
The coffee got sold. So what do I need to do?
Okay.
What is step 4 of the accounting cycle?
Do you oh cost of goods sold. Do we go on accounts payable?
No,
Or okay.
because we sold.
Okay. Receivable accounts receivable.
Not accounts receivable because we already recorded the sales.
Okay.
Every time you post to the journal, where do you need to go next?
Do you go to your subsidiary journal?
Is this did we involve
I mean ledger.
anybody?
I meant ledger.
Ledger's correct, right? We need to update the accounts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Starting with the cost of goods sold. What do we do?
So 10 pounds.
Mm-hmm. For how much?
$32.90.
That's what we sold it for, but are we dealing with sales right now?
No.
So how much did it cost me to sell 10 pounds? What does your journal say for the cost of goods sold?
$18.
That's for the Supreme coffee.
No. I mean 1609.
1609. It cost me 1609. So therefore, how much is my ending balance?
Okay, 106.92.
Okay. Good. How many pounds of Supreme coffee did we sell?
Uh 10 pounds.
How much did it cost you?
It was $18.
Okay. So what's my ending balance going to be?
121.50.
Good. Now I need to go to my inventory balances to update my inventory. So here we are, regular coffee. How many pounds did I sell?
You sold 10 pounds.
And it cost me 1609. So what's my account balance?
$327.51.
Are you adding to your inventory or subtracting?
I added.
Well, no, I'm asking you. I sold inventory. Are you adding or are you subtracting?
What I did is I added.
Right. And I'm correcting you right now by saying, well, we sold inventory. So are you supposed to add?
Okay, we got 295.33.
Good. We sold inventory. We're supposed to get rid of it. So therefore we just subtract it. 295.33. And does that match your inventory worksheet?
Yes.
Good. Okay, last one, do the Supreme Coffee.
That was $18. And that gives you $332 even.
Good. Good. Okay, so let's see what's next.
Okay.
So let's see. Next we have here is that we receive ceramic coffee mugs from All Things Ceramics. Okay. So here's the bill. It's 1% 10 net 30 for terms. We received it on June 20th. Okay. Invoice number 159. Here's all of the information. We purchased 80 mugs at $246 for $196.80. Whoops. All right. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna take a quick second, real quick. I'll be right back. Okay. So here we received the 80 ceramic coffee mugs. So what do we do here? So we're on the next page, page 9. How do we receive our coffee mugs?
By free.
By freight. Okay. And how do I record?
It'll be, it'll be a freight expense
It'll be a freight expense. And what else?
and accounts payable.
Accounts payable. Yes, we're going to choose to pay later because we are definitely low on money. And what else? What account am I going to use to represent that I made a purchase?
Miscellaneous.
No. If I'm going to have a freight expense, what usually comes with the freight expense? What am I buying?
The mugs.
Okay. How do I record periodic inventory? Okay, so what okay, this is back in chapter 5. How do we record purchasing periodic inventory? Freight expense is correct. What else do we need to do?
We got to send up the terms.
I'm talking about journalizing right now. We'll talk about terms later, but right now, how do I record the purchase of periodic inventory?
Okay, we got the freight charge. We got it's gonna be in the accounts payable.
Okay, you're missing the biggest component, the actual inventory. How do we record periodic inventory?
Okay, we don't record it until later. At the end of at the end of the at
We
the end of the cycle.
we definitely record it now. We don't record our how many items we sold until later.
Okay.
So yes, we do record purchases.
We doing our purchase order.
Not purchase order. But yes, we do need to go to the purchase order. But we haven't finished journalizing yet. How do we record that we purchase periodic inventory?
Let's stop right now.
Okay, if it's not inventory, then what should it be?
It's an expense.
It definitely is an expense. What kind of expense?
It's freight expense.
Freight expense, we already established that is one of them. What's the other one? What's the one that you're actually going to be using for recording periodic inventory?
Okay, you would be going into your inventory.
Well, no, we already said that's not inventory. Okay, so you said it's an expense. That's
Right.
correct. Now, what kind of expense? Which one is it? Is it advertising? No.
No.
Is it bank fees? No. Is it a business expense? No. Is it insurance, interest, labor, license, loans, office supplies, payroll? Is it a purchase expense?
Yes.
So you got purchase expense and freight expense, and you're going to put it on an accounts payable.
Right.
Okay. How much was the coffee mugs?
Okay, the coffee mugs was
Sorry. I think it was, I'm on this one. Okay. So what was the coffee mugs?
the coffee mugs was $196.80.
How much was the freight?
The freight was $100, and accounts payable is $296.80.
Good. You have everything that you need to fill out your description. So first off, who did I receive this from?
All things ceramic.
Okay. What was the proof of transaction?
Invoice number 159.
What are my terms?
1% 10, net 30.
Okay. Good. Okay. So let's go do that purchase order like you said to just ensure that we received the coffee mugs. So let's see. Okay, all things ceramics for $196.80. And invoice number 159. Okay, good.
Mm-hmm.
So then now what?
We go to all things ceramic.
Okay, all things ceramic. Okay.
Okay, said that we receive coffee mugs.
Okay. Invoice number 159. General Journal
8.
8. Terms.
1%, 10, and net 30.
Okay, so they allow us to give us a discount. So when is the last day to pay to receive that discount?
Would it be July 1st?
10 days.
Okay, June 30th.
June 30th. Okay. And then when is it actually due?
On the 30th.
No, it's not going to be due on the 30th.
So would it be in July, about July 1st?
What's 30 days after receiving the bill?
July 30th.
Did we receive the bill on July 1st?
Yeah, we received it on the 10th.
We
I
received
mean,
it.
on the 20th.
Good. So what's 30 days on after the June 20th? Okay. So 20 plus 30 days.
Okay, now I know it's gonna be July.
It is July, but the date's not right. It's not 30 days after the discount due date. It's 30 days after receiving the bill. Okay, if you know 10 days is going to be June 30th, right? What's 20 more days? Look at the date. You received it on June 20th, right?
Right.
Count with your fingers. How many days is 30 days from now?
It'll be July 20th.
It was July 20th. Good. Okay. And how much do we owe?
It would be 296.90.
296.80.
80.
Wait, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, 296.80. Okay. Okay. Now what? Now that I updated my ledger, I owe more money to All Things Ceramics.
Okay, do we go in the accounts payable?
Now we can go into the ledger, yes. You want to start off with accounts payable?
Yeah.
Okay. Invoice number?
159
How much do you owe?
is 296.80.
So in grand total, how much money do you owe everybody?
$12,883.45.
89.45.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's 96.80. Okay, good. And then where else do we need to go? Gotta go to our expenses, right?
Right,
We need to acknowledge that we received inventory.
right.
Okay, here's the purchase expense. 80 coffee mugs.
196.80.
So what's my total cost of my purchase expense?
$392.80.
392.80. Good. Now we need to go up to my freight expense. Oh, wrong one. Freight expense. Delivered 80 coffee mugs. For how much? $100.
Yes.
So what's my grand total deliveries?
200.
Okay, $200. Good. We updated the journal, we updated the ledger, and we updated the subsidiary ledger. Okay? What's the last thing that we need to update?
Accounts payable.
We already did the accounts payable. What did we buy?
We bought coffee mugs.
What is coffee mugs considered?
Inventory.
Okay, there you go. So we got to update our inventory, right?
Right.
Today's the 20th. We purchased
Yes.
80 of them at $246. $100 of shipping to be $296.80.
Right.
Okay, if you want to calculate your cost per item, you can. But what costing method are we using for this?
Weighted average.
Yeah, so we don't need to do the cost per item. Okay, good. Check the time real quick. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's do this last one and then we'll take a break.
Okay.
So it says here that Albert submitted another order for the Great Restaurant. They wanted to order 75 pounds of regular coffee, 75 pounds of the Supreme, or 70 of the Supreme coffee, no coffee mugs. Total came out to be $556.05.
So would you record the sales?
Did I deliver this yet?
No,
When is it? When is it expected to be delivered?
on the 22nd of June.
22nd of June. We're only on the 20th of June.
Okay, I see we got $30 charge.
Okay.
So that'll be income.
Yes, but did we deliver yet?
No.
Okay. So that means this person didn't earn the money yet.
Mm. So would we write a sales order?
We would write a sales order. That's correct. Sales order. Sales zone order number 104 for June 20th. To who?
For Great Restaurant.
For Great Restaurant. What do they want from us?
Coffee, regular coffee, 75 pounds.
How many Supreme coffees?
75 pounds.
I think it's 70
70.
for the second one. Yes, 70 pounds. And then we have to charge them a delivery charge
Yes.
because they ordered it as a service.
And the total for Supreme Coffee is $279.30.
For $556.05. That's correct.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're going to stop here because the next section is going to take a while, right? We need to do our grand opening sales. So we're going
Okay.
to stop here for a break.
Okay.